Once upon a time, deep in a glowing magical jungle, there lived a little monkey named Milo. Milo was small, curious, and full of funny ideas. He loved swinging from tree to tree, exploring new places, and playing silly tricks on his animal friends. Every morning, Milo would wake up with a new idea in his little monkey mind. One day, he thought, "What if I find something magical today?" That very morning, while jumping through the trees, Milo saw a secret path hidden behind shiny green leaves. Where does this go?" he wondered with excitement. He tiptoed along the path. The birds sang happily as Milo carefully moved forward. Suddenly, he gasped. In front of him was a mysterious, sparkling blue lake. It shined like 1,000 stars and made little bubbling sounds. "Wow!" Milo said with wide eyes. "I wonder what happens if I pour coconut water into this magic lake? Maybe the whole lake will turn into sweet coconut juice." He giggled. "What a funny idea!" Milo ran to find the biggest coconut he could. It was so heavy. He tried to carry it, but it kept slipping from his tiny hands. So he rolled it. And when it got stuck, he kicked it. "Ooh, this coconut's like a big round rock!" he laughed. After lots of pushing, pulling, and rolling, Milo finally got the coconut to the lake. "Time to make some magic," he said proudly. Milo cracked the coconut open and carefully poured the fresh coconut water into the sparkling lake. Glug, glug, glug. He smiled wide. "Now the lake will turn into coconut juice. Yummy!" he cheered. He waited. The lake bubbled and glowed. But nothing happened. It was still just water. "Huh?" said Milo, scratching his head. "Maybe I have to wait a little longer." Milo sat by the lake. He waited and waited and waited some more. To pass the time, he fished with a stick. He made shapes in the dirt. He even counted clouds in the sky. Just when he started to feel sleepy, splash! A friendly turtle popped its head. "Hello, little monkey," said the turtle kindly. "What are you doing here?"
Milo stood up quickly.
"I poured coconut water into the lake. I want the whole lake to turn into coconut juice."
The turtle laughed gently.
"Silly monkey, this lake likes to stay water, not juice. But that's okay. You made me smile today."
Milo smiled back.
Just then, a colorful parrot flew down from the trees. "I heard everything," said the parrot with a chuckle. "What a funny idea, turning the whole lake into coconut juice. You are very creative, little monkey." Milo giggled. "Well, it was worth a try." The parrot flapped its wings and said, "Maybe the magic wasn't in the lake after all. Maybe it was in your funny ideas that made us all laugh." Milo laughed too. "Maybe the real magic is making new friends." The turtle and parrot nodded. Milo realized something very important. Trying new things, even silly things, could bring the best surprises, like new friends. He danced around the lake with the turtle and the parrot. The sun began to set, painting the sky with pink and orange colors. From that day on, Milo never stopped dreaming, laughing, and making new friends on his jungle. What about you? What fun ideas and dreams do you have today? Remember, imagination